AI photo editing is no longer just filters. These tools do noise reduction, upscaling, sky replacement, and portrait retouching that rivals hours of manual Photoshop work. Luminar's AI sky replacement, relighting, and portrait enhancement are the most dramatic. One click can completely transform a mediocre photo into a stunning image. Best for landscapes and portraits. Topaz dominates noise reduction and upscaling. It can rescue noisy high ISO shots and upscale images 6x while adding genuine detail. Essential for photographers who shoot in challenging conditions. Adobe's AI tools integrate seamlessly into a professional workflow. Generative fill, generative expand, and neural filters work non-destructively. Best for professionals already in the Adobe ecosystem. Same photo edited in all three tools with identical goals. Comparing before/after for noise reduction, sky replacement, portrait retouching, and detail enhancement. Which AI photo editor fits your workflow? Comment below. Subscribe for the deep dive tutorials on each tool coming this month.